news and hot weather is like raining or thunder, so it's raining loud. So bring your umbrella is like raining. So that the raining. So bring your the umbrella. So raining is the raining and thunder. It's raining and thunder. It's raining and thunder. You have to wear your boots, rain boots. So it's raining. It check the weather like rain and thunder. Please take and wear your jacket. And knew check the jacket, check the weather. You can wear your jacket, rain boots, and thunder. It's gonna rain hard Wednesday. So the rain and no sun coming out that day. So rain and the sun is gonna be hot, 90 degrees. So the rain is gonna rain and rain thunder. Raining and sun's gonna be hot, 90 degrees, 100 degrees. So 100 degrees. So 100 degrees, 90 degrees. Go rain. It's gonna be cold weather. It's gonna be hot Wednesday, 90 degrees. So 90 degrees, the thunder. Get your raincoat ready. Gonna rain Wednesday. And boots ready. So you get your boots ready. Wear your boots. Wear your boots and a jacket. And it's gonna be hot that day. It's gonna be 90 degrees, 100 degrees, 90 degrees, 80 degrees. So 80 degrees and 90 degrees. So it's gonna be hot. You'll have to wear a jacket though. Take your jacket off. So somebody's birthday is coming up. Angelica's birthday coming up. So her birthday is coming up January. So her birthday is coming up. So she might celebrate her birthday. And Jack's birthday is coming up too. So Angelica's birthday is coming up. News. So check the news. Hot weather, raining. So everybody wear a jacket. It's thunder. It's going rain, thunder coming up. The rain, thunder. This is Jennifer Little. I'm doing news. I'm doing good with news. So the news. This is Jennifer Little. I'm doing news. I'm doing good with the news. Check the weather. I'm doing good with the news. The news. And it's good.
That was a good one.
Yeah.